Very good morning. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is a historic moment that greets us today. I'm delighted to announce that the Timor-Leste has officially deposited its instruments of accession to the ASEAN Charter and the Treaty on the Southeast Asia Nuclear Weapon-Free Zone. This effectively marks Timor-Leste's full admission as the 11th member of ASEAN and the expansion of ASEAN's scope to include each and every sovereign state in this home we share. On behalf of our Malaysia and on fellow members of state, I extend our warmest congratulations to the government and the people of Timor-Leste. As the chair of ASEAN, I'm honored to share this moment with all of you. Today, we celebrate with you a nation built on courage, perseverance, and unyielding hope as you join a family that has long awaited your full inclusion. Welcome to the ASEAN family and to our venerated charter. Welcome, Brother Venditus. The ASEAN Charter is more than just a foundational document. It is the heartbeat of our shared vision, a covenant of trust, respect, and solidarity that has bound our diverse nations together in pursuit of peace and prosperity. By accepting the Charter, Timor-Leste has pledged to walk hand in hand with us, weaving the aspirations of its people into the fabric of our ever-evolving ASEAN community. Through the Schoenfest Treaty, Timor-Leste has also joined us in a solemn commitment to ensure that Southeast Asia remains a sanctuary of peace, free from the shadow of nuclear weapons. It is a testament of enduring resolve to preserve our region as one of peace, stability, and shared security. These accessions reflect more than just institutional formality. They represent Timor-Leste's strong faith in ASEAN's ideals and a profound belief in our collective future, a future that is built on harmony, cooperation, and mutual respect. The journey to this has been long, from the struggles of its birth to the years of state building and the passionate pursuit of ASEAN membership. The story of Timor-Leste is one of remarkable tenacity. As we look ahead, we do so with optimism. Timor-Leste brings new energy, fresh perspectives, and a useful population ready to contribute. Your presence will enrich ASEAN's collective identity, not only in demography, but politically, culturally, and economically. ASEAN's strength has always been found in its diversity and its ability to transform that diversity into shared purpose. And I firmly believe that Timor-Leste's full participation will further deepen this regional cohesion. So today, we are not just welcoming a new member, we are reaffirming our belief in an ASEAN that is inclusive, resilient, and future-ready. One community united in peace, committed to progress, and grounded in the unbreakable bonds of kinship. May we continue to collaborate and prosper together, and may we face the future as one region ever stronger. Thank you.
Thank you, His Excellency Dr. Sri Utama, for the remarks.